Welcome to a space where ideas spark curiosity, questions ignite answers, and inspiration transforms lives. This is Mind Alchemy, your destination for unlocking potential in everyday life. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's shaping the future, machine learning. But here's the twist. You'll learn it without writing a single line of code. Yes, you heard that right. Why is this tutorial so special? Well, machine learning is one of the most buzzing terms today. Everyone, from students to professionals, wants to get a taste of it. But let me guess, what's stopping you? Most people think you need to be a coding wizard to learn machine learning. Well, let me bust that myth right here. In this tutorial, I'll show you how anyone, yes, anyone from any background can explore machine learning without touching a single line of code. Let's make this journey fun and easy. Let's begin by exploring the definition of machine learning as found on the internet. Machine learning is a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. It is a branch of artificial intelligence based on the idea that systems can learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. That is, human intervention is not really expected in machine learning, and machine learning can perform tasks on its own. This represents the field of automation that defines the era of artificial intelligence. So how do we handle this? For machine learning, the most important and valuable term these days is data. This is a very small data set that we are dealing with right now. So this is just for your example. This data has 4 columns. One is country, another is age, another is salary, and the last one is purchased. So under country, you see that several countries are enlisted. Especially 3 countries are enlisted, as you can see, France, Spain, and Germany. Under age, certain ages are enlisted. Under salary, certain salary values or amounts are enlisted, and the purchase column, which is a decision either no or yes. So now these 3 are termed as independent variables, and the decision variable is the finally dependent variable. So while you are dealing with this kind of a data, that is the first observation, which one is the dependent variable, and which all are the independent variables. Second observation in this particular data set is this data set is not exhaustive. Why? Because of the fact there are certain missing values. As you can see, here is a missing value. Here is another missing value. So that is why, if you are trying to deal with this kind of data set, it will give you erroneous output when performing machine learning. That is why it is essential to perform data preprocessing. Data preprocessing is a term that describes how you can build, create, or clean your data to ensure the output is accurate. Now, that's a basic definition of data preprocessing. We will explore how this data really looks, and at the same time, we will see how to handle the data through preprocessing, which is the initial part of machine learning, preprocessing the data without writing a single line of code. Now let's preprocess this data without writing a single line of code. Introducing Weka, an amazing tool developed by the University of Waikato. Weka is a powerful no-code tool for machine learning that allows users to preprocess, analyze, and model data without writing any code. It provides an intuitive graphical interface for tasks like classification, clustering, and data visualization, making machine learning accessible to everyone. So we can go to Weka Explorer, which is opening here for you. Now click on Open File. You can select CSV and choose the location of your data file. The data file is located on the desktop, so you can click on data.csv. You can see that all the columns are listed here. The country column has 3 levels: France, Spain, and Germany, as previously mentioned. For age, the data shows the minimum value, maximum value, mean, and standard deviation. For salary, the minimum salary, maximum salary, mean, and standard deviation are displayed. The purchased column shows the levels of purchase, yes and no. These 2 levels indicate the decision variable, which is the dependent variable in this data set. Now let's see what is the shape of the data and size of the data and status of the data. This data is having right 1, 2, 3, and 4 columns, and 1, 2, 3 till 10 rows. So 4 columns and 10 rows. Okay, so what is the dimension of the data? 10 cross 4, 10 rows, 4 columns. This data has 2 different missing values. In Excel, you will see the positions where the missing values are located. Similarly, in Weka, you will also be able to identify the positions where the missing values are present. So, how do we handle this? To address this, you need to apply a Weka filter. You can choose the Weka filter from this particular section. Once you go there, navigate to Unsupervised Attribute. These are the different types of filters available. In this filter section, you will find the option to replace missing values. Select it and then apply it to your data. After applying the filter, check the data to see the changes. You don't find any missing values, right? Previously, after 16,000, there was a missing value. Now you won't find a missing value anymore, as 6377 has replaced it. Similarly, after 35, there was a missing value, which has been replaced with 38.7, as you can see. So click OK, and save the file in a location where you can browse it later. Now the extension will change to ARFF. This is another format for saving the file, and you will save it like this. After this, if you want to process the data for further machine learning tasks, just open the file, go to data.rf, and check the file before proceeding. You will find that this data no longer has any missing values. The missing values have been replaced. Now, your data is ready to be manipulated and explored with the help of machine learning algorithms. Please feel free to share in the comment section the dataset in which you have handled missing values using Weka. I'd love to hear about your experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video, subscribe for more AI tips, and share it with a friend. Check the description for links to our Udemy course for automating your daily tasks with generative AI, and I'll see you in the next video.